In this question, you're given that f is a function going from 1 comma infinity to 2 comma infinity. Is f is function which is going from set. This first set is going from 1 to infinity, and the second set has elements going from 2 to infinity, and f is a function from this set to this set. And fx is defined as x plus 1 by x. You're asked to find f inverse of x. So we know the process to find the inverse function. So let us start with y is equal to x plus 1 by x, and you need to find what x is in terms of y. So y is equal to, if you take LCM, x square plus 1 by x. This implies xy is equal to x square plus 1. This implies x square minus xy plus 1 is equal to 0. So this looks like a quadratic in x. So how do we solve the quadratic in x? X is equal to minus b, that is minus of minus y is plus y, plus minus root of b square, that is minus y whole square is y square, minus 4ac is 4, divided by 2a is 2. So whatever is x, if y is equal to some function of x, then x will be equal to f inverse of y, right? X will be equal to f inverse of y. So x is equal to this. So f inverse of y is equal to y plus or minus root of y square minus 4 by 2. So what is f inverse of x? X plus or minus root of x square minus 4 by 2. Now, we have a slight confusion here. So f inverse of x is x plus or minus. So which of these two is right? So to find which of these two is right, we'll take a simple example. So this function is defined from 1 to infinity, right? So if you take x is equal to 2. So if you take an element 2 in the first set, so what is the image of 2? What is the image of 2? So as you can very clearly see, f of x is equal to x plus 1 by x. So f of 2 is 2 plus 1 by 2. It is 5 by 2. So f connects 2 with 5 by 2. So what should f inverse do? F inverse should connect 5 by 2 back to 2. So let us find f inverse of 5 by 2. So let us see which of these two gives you 2 as the answer. So that will be the correct answer. So f of 5 by 2 is 5 by 2 plus or minus root of 25 by 4 minus 4. 25 by 4 minus 4 is 25 minus 16, that is 9 by 4 by 2. So that is equal to 5 by 2 plus or minus 3 by 2 by 2. So if you take plus, 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is 4. There's corresponding to the plus sign, you're getting 4 by 2, 2 as the answer. Corresponding to the minus sign, 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 is 1. You're getting 1 by 2 as the answer. So if you take the function f inverse x is equal to plus, you're getting 2 back from 5 by 2. If you're taking minus as the sign, you're getting 1 by 2, which is not satisfying this function. So f inverse of x has to be equal to x plus root of x square minus 4 by 2. Because if this f is taking 2 to 5 by 2, this plus function is bringing back 2 from 5 by 2.